We all have preconceived beliefs about how we will act, behave, and communicate in our personal and professional lives. Furthermore, we all have shared aspirations about how we would grow in our careers and climb the corporate ladder of success. But somewhere along the way, while making those aspirations a reality, we run across barriers that halt us from growth. Communication skill is one of those prevalent hurdles. Effective communication skills are quite crucial. They come into play while greeting people, asking or answering questions, and even while writing emails to your superiors. So today in this video, we will go on a quest to unleash ways to better your communication skills. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Simplilearn. Communication is a skill that allows you to share your thoughts and ideas with others effectively. Most of the time, your personality traits, such as attitude and confidence, are judged by the way you communicate. With thorough research, we have gathered 5 tips that can help you improve your communication abilities. Moving forward, we will iterate through them one by one. The first tip on our list is be a master listener. Wait, you must be thinking, what does listening have to do with communication? Well, let me tell you. Listening is quite essential to build a rapport with the people you are interacting with. Not only that, but it also serves as a means of displaying respect for others. Consider how good it feels when someone is intently listening to you and is absolutely intrigued by what you are saying. Don't you feel valued and obligated to forge ties with that person? You do, right? So make sure that you don't go on a monologue while having a chat with someone. Be comfortable and patient under your skin, and try to comprehend all non-verbal cues. Also, strive to emphasize key topics or words from the discourse. This will help you recall the conversation afterward and will demonstrate to the speaker that you are paying attention. The next tip we have is to be aware of your body language. People will take clues from your body language, so be mindful of how you portray yourself while speaking with someone in person or via a virtual call. It's always a good idea to record yourself and study how others view you. Take note of how you stand or sit, how you move your arms and your hands, how your body is oriented, and how your facial expressions are. You can also ask for help from your friends or family to examine your body language. After a thorough analysis, you can highlight your blunders and work on them. With plenty of practice, you'll be able to align your body language with your spoken one. The third tip on our list is to be tactful. Being tactful is also an essential aspect of being a good communicator. People will be even receptive to hear information they are already familiar with if it's presented in a diplomatic manner. A good communicator can predict how someone would react and adjust their statements at any instance based on the listener's reaction. But for that to happen, you'll have to understand your listener. Take non-verbal cues from his actions and contemplate a way to understand his interest. You will also need to manage your emotional quotient. Being emotionally stable might assist you in bringing clarity of thought to each point you make in a discussion. On that note, can you all mention the greatest challenge you have faced while having an official interaction? Make sure you drop your answers in the comment section below. The next and quite important tip when it comes to formal communication is to be brief and to the point. Whether you're talking to a person or writing a mail to someone, make sure to use simple language and keep your sentences short and concise. Being concise is the finest way of acquiring clarity. It can help you deliver values through a minimum number of words and can also help others understand your point. You can achieve that by understanding the core points you want to convey and composing a few short and crisp sentences to describe it. Also, ensure that you refrain from using any filler words. One way to do that is to keep a track of every time you use the words like or By being conscious of the words you use, you can withhold filler words or informal phrases. The last tip on our list is practice more. There is a famous saying that practice makes you perfect. And if you are to apply that in the sense of articulation, then not only should you read, but you should also write down your thoughts. Doing these 2 tasks for 30 minutes daily can help you straighten out your thoughts. Also, to become an effective leader, you're expected to possess enormous knowledge. Reading, listening, and writing are the facets that can help you get there. Once you develop competence in verbal skills, the next phase will be putting them to use when you converse. Joining public speaking clubs or events on your campus can help you boost your confidence. We know that confidence comes from within, so your body language, fluency, and persona will contribute to your communication skills when you are confident enough. Here's a video that can help you figure out how you can build your confidence. That's all we have for today. I hope these 5 tips will assist you in your pursuit of excellence in terms of communication skills. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.